Out entertainment.
What's that on that beat? Oh.
Bleeding up the block while I'm bleeding the block. Got 9 bullets left in my backup block. Cause the jackers in my town need backup now. Bet the pump in the trunk, make them back up now. I'm a king in my motherfucking city. If you need a couple hoes, man, I got plenty. In the drop top, paid off dope money. It was nothing, my nigga, cause I got more money. I make fast money while they make slow money. I don't roll with niggas that make no money. I don't give a fuck, let's side entertainment. It's my fucking crew, my label, my name and the claim. Yeah, you know, side entertainment, man. Shit, coming your way. Town near you. The hottest, man. Prince Drake, myself, you know what I'm saying? My nigga White T, Young Twisted, is my boy out there in Austin, Texas. You feel me? Got my boy R.O.B. out there in Austin, Texas also. It's really what a fan meant, you feel me? But I'm out here in the BR doing my thing. You know, shit, out entertainment, you know, it's just a small little label right now, bro. But it's gonna be everything that you know about in the near future. Shit, just roll with us, rock with us, do your thing, man. This is just a little sound bite, just to put something up, you feel me? Let y'all understand where nigga coming from. Shit, hope y'all like it. Subscribe to the page. Shit, I put my Facebook link down now, my Facebook page for Out Entertainment. You know what I'm saying? We got new things coming up this year, bro. 2015, bro. It's our year, man. We gonna be on.